Chapter 1.4 Rewriting Equations and Formulas. An equation that has two or more variables called literal equation. To rewrite these type of equations, solve one variable in terms of the other variables. So let's say example number 1 here. You're going to solve the equation 2y plus 5x equals 6 for y. It means y should be by itself. You're going to isolate the y in order to solve for y. So you rewrite the equation and then subtract 5x on both sides. 2y equals 6 minus 5x. Now you want to solve for y, which means that you're going to isolate the y. So you're going to divide the 2 from each number or each term. This 2 and 2 cancel. Y equals 6 divided by 2 is 3 minus 5 over 2x. So this is your equation where the y is by itself and x is on the other side. Now you're going to try the 3 questions and pause the video and then we will go over on it. So for number 1 here, 5y minus x equals 10. You're going to add x on both sides. You're going to get 5y by itself, and on the other hand, you're going to get x plus 10. Now you're going to isolate the y completely so we're going to divide the 5 from both sides. So divide 5 here, you get 5 and 5 cancel, you get y by itself. X divided by 5, or we can write it as 1 over 5 times x. And in this one is 10 divided by 5 would be 2. So y equals 1 over 5x plus 2. For number 2 here, you're going to get the y by itself, so going to subtract 4x on both sides. In this side, you're going to get negative 4y, and on the other side, you're going to get negative 4x plus 1. Now you're going to get rid of the negative 4 from here, and you're going to divide the negative 4 on both sides. Negative 4 and negative 4 cancel. You get y by itself, and on the other side, negative 4 cancel. You get x by itself, and this 1 over negative 4, negative in the center, it become 1 over 4. So the final equation is y equal x minus 1 over 4. For number 3 here, you're going to isolate the 3y first of all. So you're going to subtract 6x on both sides. When you subtract 6x from here, you're going to get 12 minus 6x equals 3y. Now you're going to get the 3 cancelled from this side because you want y by itself. So you're going to divide the 3 with each and every term. Here 12 divided by 3 is 4 and 6 divided by 3 is 2. You're going to get 4 minus 2x equals y. Let's just do the example number 2 from the bottom here. So the example number 2 is the formula for the surface area S of the cone is S equals pi r squared plus pi r L. So you're going to solve the formula for the slant height L. So it means L should be by itself. So the first step you're going to do for this one is rewrite the equation, and then you're going to solve for L. It means this should be isolated. So you're going to subtract pi r squared from both sides, and pi r L would be by itself. Now you're going to solve for L, so you're going to divide with pi r with each term. So it's going to be S divided by pi r, or S minus pi r squared divided by pi r equals L. So this is your answer for L. You can also write this equation as S over pi r, and in the pi r square, pi r, you can cancel the pi and pi, one r cancel with the other r from the bottom. So the answer would be s divided by pi r minus r equal L. So for number 4, you're going to solve this equation A equals BH for B. To solve for B, it means that B should be by itself. So you remove the H from this side. So that's why you're going to divide the H on both sides. The H and H cancel. So you're going to get the answer as A over H equals B. So this is your answer. B equal A over H. Now for number 5, surface area for a cylinder is given by S equals 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. You're going to solve this equation for h. It means that you're going to subtract the 2 pi r square from both sides. Here you're going to get s minus 2 pi r square. On the other side, you're going to get 2 pi r h. Now you're going to get the h by itself, so you're going to divide the both equation by 2 pi r. So 2 pi r and 2 pi r cancel. S divided by 2 pi r and 2 pi r squared divided by 2 pi r. So 2 and 2 cancel, pi and pi cancel, r squared divided by r is just r. So you're going to get h equals s divided by 2 pi r minus r.